Have a good day to all of you, my beloved followers. I'm back to share another video that I'm sure you'll learn something. If you are interested in this kind of content and if you have just watched my video for the first time, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the notification bell and then select all to notify you of my next videos. Finally, I've made another tutorial that I'm sure you'll learn something from, and you saw it in the title of the video and it's on the screen. That's what I'm going to share with you modders and developers who are Aide users. So today I'm going to share this bottom navigation code and I'm going to put it in the pinned comment of this video. I'll just build and install it first so you can see it before I add the bottom navigation code. Just follow me on what I will do. If you think the video is fast, don't worry, because you can adjust the speed of this video. There is an option on the screen, you can speed up or slow down the speed. There is no bottom navigation in this app. Now I will show you that I just copy and paste the code so that our video is not too long. Just copy this JMGCTV folder, its contents are bottom navigation codes. Just put it in the Java folder of your app projects. Now let's go to the layout. Just make a layout for the bottom navigation or just copy and paste what I made. You can also change the background and item color of bottom navigation. In this bottom menu, you will need to create a file name. Name it bottommenu.xml inside the menu folder of your project. I have it already. You need to add an ID in every item inside this file to be able to call it in Java. And the button's name depending on what action you added in each. Now here we are in the Java file. Just copy this and paste it. And if it makes an error, just long press it and import it, and that's it. And this is the ID that I was talking about earlier in the bottom menu.xml. You should put the ID correctly. And you need this to paste in Java also below the set content view of your main layout. And after placing all of these, first refresh the build of the project, then build and install so that there is no error. And finally, my app has a bottom navigation. I'll try to put an action on a button if it works. I will try to add this about item dialog. I will change also the icon for the About button. And that, guys, you have a button that has content. It's up to you what you put on the buttons. That's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you learned something somehow. And for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and share this video. Also like if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos.
It's not a game, it's a